The Power Up Academy puzzle event is now live on Rollercoin, and we also have some pretty interesting sales going on right now. Let's check them all out right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Okay, so we haven't seen a puzzle event in a while, but right now there's Power Up Academy puzzle event going on. On my screen here you can see the homepage of Rollercoin, and here you can see Power Up Academy at the very top here in the banners, and you can also access this through the events section of Rollercoin here on the side on the menu, and just click on puzzle event. As you can see, there are still 3 days remaining at the time of recording this video, so you've got pretty much the entire weekend and Monday to get through all of these tasks so that you can receive a random reward from these prizes that you can see here. I've already opened up the first 2, and remember that for every 4 tasks that you complete, you will be getting an extra reward from the top here that you can see on the progression bar at the top. The first reward on the progression bar is the Power Up Rack 6, and this can't be sold. When you get to 8 of these little flasky potion thingies, you will get the Quantum Conductor, which will give you 704 terahash per second, and also can't be sold. So these are unique miners and racks that you are getting here for this event only. When you get 12 tasks completed, you will get 1.44 petahash with the nano node extractor, and again this can't be sold. And last but not least, when you get 16 tasks completed, so when you complete all 16 tasks that you have in this list, you'll get the most powerful Tropicana at 2.12 petahash per second. However, this is the miner that you can actually sell. Okay, so Tropicana can be sold, and this is the legendary variant of the Tropicana. So going through the puzzle pieces here, there's the cube at 765 terahash with 1% bonus attached to it. Quantum Gateway with 777 terahash with 0.75% bonus attached to it as well. There's 750 RST here and another 250 RST here, and the same again down here, so you get a total of 2000 RST in this puzzle event. There's the energy amplifier at 1.12 petahash with a 1% bonus attached to it. There's brush and palette at 700 terahash at 0.75% bonus here. Brilliance Bay 680 terahash at 0.5% bonus. And you've got Mine and Dance at 1.89 petahash with a 1.5% bonus. There are also loads of 2.5 petahash temporary bonus power for 7 days that you can get here as well. So there are 4 of those right there. Okay, so you can get pretty decent amount of power for an entire week. Just going through the task list quickly as well, you can see that you've got win 35 games, you've got merge 140 parts, exchange 7 RLT, win 80 games, open 15 any lucky RLT cases, merge 280 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 135 games, open 25 lucky cases, exchange 24 RLT, win 200 games, open 45 lucky cases, exchange 56 RLT, exchange 114 RLT. Okay, so those are the ones that I've got left over, and the ones that I managed to do, those 2 that I've revealed already, were exchange 3 RLT and open any 5 lucky RLT cases. Okay, so they're not all that bad. If you are going to exchange 114 RLT in total, then you'll actually get the 114 RLT one, the 56 RLT one, and all the ones that have exchanged any sort of amount of RLT. So you'll actually be getting quite a few pieces opened and revealed, and you'll be going up in the progression bar at the same time as well. So keep that in mind. The total amount is 114 RLT to be exchanged from crypto to RLT if you want to hit that one. Okay, and you'll be opening up, like I said, a few, I think 1, 2, 3, definitely 3, 4, 5, I'd say 6 pieces. Okay, because you've got the one which is 3 RLT as well. So if you start off with that 114, see I've done 3, so that's already counting towards 114. It's not like you have to start all over again, so remember that this is progressive, and that will get you 6 pieces out of the way, and you'll literally go up the progression bar halfway to level 8 here to get the quantum conductor. So that is the Power Up Academy puzzle event. There is also at the moment going on a couple of nice sales. So let's check out the sales and popular section under the store section. Sales and popular, you can see that you can get the full energy pack for 127 RLT minus 0.1, okay, minus 1 cent. So you can actually buy 3 of these in total, okay, and you get all of the miners that you can see here. And if you do show more, you'll actually see everything, okay. So you can get the breathtaking miner that will give you 2.6 petahash with a 1% bonus. This can be sold. All of the miners can be sold. So what I would do is I would search for all of these in the marketplace, add them all up, and see if they exceed the 126. There is also 3 biohazard rack 8s that give you a 5% bonus for each and every miner that you place on those racks. And you also get for 30 days 15 petahash in temporary bonus power. That's a whole month with 15 petahash of power, which is quite significant. And all this for 126 RLT and 99. Okay, it's 127 RLT pretty much. And that is the best package available. You can get some lower spec packages. You'll have less miners and less bonus power, but you can obviously spend less and get less, okay? But it won't necessarily be the best option for you. There are pretty much 3 days available for the huge energy pack, middle energy pack, and starter energy pack. But for the best pack that you can see at the top here, there are 2 days, 14 hours remaining at the time of recording this video, so slightly less than the 3 days for the other packs. And that is pretty much it for the sales. So I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below, smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.